Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to study Microsoft Access multiple choice questions and answer. First question is, in Microsoft Access database memo, data type can store characters up to. Answer is option number C, 65,000. In Microsoft Access, which of the following is used to retrieve and present data from the database? Answer is option number B, reports. Microsoft Access table contains which type of elements? Answer is option number A, all options. In Microsoft Access, which wildcard is used to exclude characters inside the brackets? Answer is option number A. In Microsoft Access, what menu is used to switch between table views? Answer is option number A, view. In Microsoft Access, which of the following is used to enter, modify and view data from the records? Answer is option number A, forms. In Microsoft Access, the smallest meaningful unit of data is known as. Answer is option number C, field. In Microsoft Access database, which criteria is used to find the three-character name starting with Z? Answer is option number D. Choose the default data type in Microsoft Access database. Answer is option number C, text. In Microsoft Access, which of the following is displayed in the title bar of an opened database? Answer is option number D, all options. Choose the correct full form of RDBMS. Answer is option number B, Relational Database Management System. In Microsoft Access, what corresponds to the column of a table? Answer is option number B, field. Which kind of facility Microsoft Access RDBMS provides? Answer is option number C, all options. In Microsoft Access, every field in the table contains. Answer is option number D, field name and data type. In Microsoft Access database, which button is clicked to start the search? Answer is option number C, find. In Microsoft Access, what corresponds to the rows of a table? Answer is option number C, records. Microsoft Access is a member of. Answer is option number A, Microsoft Office Suite. Choose the correct association between the following options. Answer is option number D, record is equal to row. Microsoft Access is a product of. Answer is option number B, Microsoft. In Microsoft Access, which of view looks like an electronic spreadsheet like Google Sheet? Answer is option number B, datasheet. In Microsoft Access, which wildcard matches any number of characters in a string? Answer is option number B. In Microsoft Access, in which view data is entered in a tables? Answer is option number C, datasheet view. Which of the following extension specify the Microsoft Access database file? Answer is option number A, .mdb. In RDBMS, a single piece of information is known as. Answer is option number B, attribute. In Microsoft Access database, how many table views are available? Answer is option number D, 2. Choose the default field size of text data type in Microsoft Access database. Answer is option number C, 255. Microsoft Access stores all the data and defines the structure in. Answer is option number D, tables. Microsoft Access consists of four components used to store or manipulate data is known as. Answer is option number A, objects. In Microsoft Access database, which of the following view is used to design the structure of a table? Answer is option number D, design. In Microsoft Access database system, which data type can store pictures and graphs? Answer is option number C, OLE, objects. आई होप गाइस मेरी ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी, सो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और साइड में दी हुई बेल बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि मेरे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल पाए। थैंक यू।